Title, please.
Play Dafoe, how Mayor Shelly Lee Leffingwell interrupts citizens, breaches decorum, violates civil rights, and throws temper tantrums at presiding officers of the Austin City Council.
Good afternoon. This is a speech about the disruptive actions perpetrated against me and others by Mayor Lee Leffingwell in public meetings. I did not ask for this battle, but you, members of the Austin City Council, gave it to me. And I cannot stand idly by as mine and many other individuals' civil rights are violated by you all. Among others violated include John Bush, Caroline Ann Rose Kennedy, Les Eisenman, Robert Marr, Rodney Reefer-Seed, and most likely others. Title 2523, Rules of Order of the Austin City Code, says a person should not speak out of turn during a meeting. Each person and council member should observe decorum, and the presiding officer should exercise authority impartially. These are all sections of the code which Mayor Leffingwell and all of you members of the City Council violated. Video, please. This is from March 7th, 2013, when I spoke to you. This deals with the master plan, this whole recommendation, which I'm allowed to talk about, sir. That's Barring Springs in the 1920s, I believe. It's been around for a long time. It's been natural springs. I hope you know about it. This is supposed to protect the critical water quality zone in transition. Those are your claims, and frankly, I don't.
Again, we're talking about setting.
This is in your recommendation. This is what it says in your recommendation that you're considering the vote on right now, sir. So I have a right to speak on it. And also in your recommendation, you talk about there being 80 public meetings, but you don't let people speak about the issue at hand. So I find it kind of ironic. On August 25th, 2011, I was signed up to speak, but the mayor refused to allow me. So this has been a 2-year process of shutting down citizens. Now, this is supposed to be about water quality. It's supposed to be about the salamander habitat, as mentioned in your recommendation. I'm talking about your recommendation, sir. You are violating my rights. Let me finish my speech. Do not interrupt me, sir. Let me finish. Sir, you're asking for a lawsuit. I have a right to speak. I'm talking about what the City Council is considering right now. This is a recommendation.
It's an opposing viewpoint.
I'm talking about the renovations to the swimming pool, which are included in the recommendation. Sir, I have 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. Could you give me the legal authority that says I'm not allowed to speak about this?
You're to leave the chamber
Cite the legal
right
authority,
now.
sir. You're violating my civil rights. You're asking for a federal
So
lawsuit.
can we get some assistance?
This is the second time my rights have been violated today. Citizens of Austin, do something. I am thinking. I have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. What is the problem, sir? What is the problem? This guy will not let citizens speak.
It's an opposing viewpoint.
Mayor, I have a right to speak. I have a right to be.
That's protected speech.
Please let me finish my presentation. Next slide, please, sir. Gary, next slide. This is the second meeting.
You understand?
I'm leaving. Let me get my stuff.
Walk out the door.
Listen up, sir. Well, let me get my possessions. Let me get my possessions. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, don't touch me. Will, get this, man. Get my stuff, Will.
Yeah, I will.
I was then assaulted by undercover APD Officer Davidson 6165, which I later found out. In 1871, the U.S. federal government passed the Civil Rights Act. I hope you know it. Also referred to as the Klan Act, to stop members of the Ku Klux Klan from harassing African American citizens. 42 U.S.C. subsection 1983 has violations for depriving people of civil rights. Broad remedies for persons deprived of their constitutional rights under the color of state law, and that's what's happening. It could also be, because Mrs. Cole was involved in this 2 weeks ago in interrupting me and violating decorum, a potential conspiracy to interfere with my civil rights, and that's under 42 U.S.C. 1985, which is another civil action I can take. Under criminal 18 U.S. Section 241, it is a federal crime for 2 or more persons to conspire to injure, oppress, threaten, or intimidate any person from the exercise of their civil rights. I hope you know that. Thank you very much for your time.